Hello, today I'll share the method of brewing Longjing tea with a lidded bowl. The first step is the usual practice, warming the cup and utensils. Pour steaming water in a counterclockwise swirl twice around. Fill the bowl to 1/3 with water. Cover with the lid. Hold the bowl with your left hand. Rotate counterclockwise once to scald evenly. Pour the water used for warming into a fairness cup. The second step is adding tea. The normal ratio for green tea is 1:50. That's 1 gram of tea to 50 milliliters of water. But I prefer a lighter taste. So I've reduced it by 0.5 grams. The third step is shaking to release fragrance. The fourth step is to pour out the water from the fairness cup. The fifth step is brewing. The pouring technique is a swirling pour to avoid hitting the tea leaves too hard. Cover with the lid. Allow the tea leaves to unfurl slowly in the water. You can take a look at the state of the tea leaves. The sixth step is pouring the tea. Remember not to drain the green tea completely. Leave about 1/3 of the tea water. This maintains the concentration for the second infusion. When tasting the tea, we can pour the water from the fairness cup into the tasting cups before drinking. That's all for today.